What's going on, YouTube? These are my top 5 favorite long-term, least amount of risk NFT investments. That is, of course, if crypto does not just tank and falls off the earth. This is if it can at least just hold this terrible point that it's at right now. Now, I'm gonna go least expensive to most expensive. There's a chance you cannot even afford the least expensive. That's okay. When I first got into NFTs and I wanted to buy NFTs I couldn't afford, I would just call up multiple friends who I could trust and we all agreed, you know what I mean. You will notice most of these are blue chips already. I'm just gonna go through the list, least expensive to most expensive, and explain why I like each project. So let's just get right into it. If you know me, you guys already know I love this project, and that is because of the team. The project is Psychedelics Anonymous. Get the Genesis. That's like the safest, least amount of risk in my opinion. Why do I like this project? The owner, Voltura, GOAT. I don't want to explain all about him, his life, the whole team. Just do your own research, DYOR, do your own research. I'm just telling you the projects. This is not financial advice. And I want you to do your own research on them. Please, that's just a good habit to get into. I used to never do that at first and just take other people's words and ended up getting screwed bad on terrible calls and plays, so please do your own research. But anyways, community is very solid. Owner, godly, staking just came out, and look at the listed out of 10K. We only got 202 listed. Floor is 1.5 ETH right now. Actually 1.58. Let's just see how much that is. About $2,100. Now you go 1,000 with a friend. Forget about it. All these NFTs are long-term holds. Please keep that in mind. My next favorite project is the Other Deeds. I actually minted a coda, thank you Luck NFT Gods, and I sold that for a very nice profit. But I still do own a land. If you think the metaverse is gonna be an actual thing and you believe in the Bored Ape Yacht Club, kind of makes sense, they're gonna have the most money funding they can just keep getting nonstop, in my opinion. It just seems like a very good, easy, long-term play. It's the Bored Ape Yacht Club, don't really have much to say. They're the best. Yuga is the best. One last tip before I get into the next project. Go for a environment tier of 4 to 5, okay? Trust me, let's do it. Don't feel like explaining it, to be honest with you, and I encourage doing your own research, like I said on the first project. DYOR, go for environment tier, at least 4 to 5. My next favorite project, clones. I might go half on a friend with one of these. I like these a lot. It's Nike, bro. Nike. Like, everything, the art, I love the art. Team is great. I mean, everything they're doing is right. I know I'm sounding cliche. Oh, he's dumb. Team's good. Dart's good. I know I sound like an idiot, but there's just do your own research. I love this project. Okay, good project. Floor is currently 11 ETH. How much is that? About 15K. This is actually low. I remember the last dip in NFTs, these were at like 10, and I was like to myself, these are a steal, this is easy. Then they pumped to so now I'm on the chart here, they were at like 9, 10 area, and they pumped back up to 20. See, I'm an idiot, I didn't buy here, look at me. So we're at the same spot, If ETH, not to get off of the side of my long-term investments here, I believe if ETH goes back up to at least 2,000 and can maintain it, a bull run will happen. I really hope so, and I really think that's gonna be true. Who knows? This could go right back to 20 ETH. And let's say you get in right now at 11 ETH. Let's say it goes where it's at like 1,300 right now. Goes up to 2,000. Just off ETH, you're gonna make a nice gain. If the floor does not drop, obviously. You guys know what I'm saying. Enough about the clones. Next project. We got the Doodles. Doodles are really undervalued in my opinion. These are, I'm not gonna say essentially the apes, because obviously they're not, but like, they've just been around and they've been holding, bro. Like, they're like a blue chip and their utility really isn't anything special. Like, it's not anything cool. You know, their community is just really, really good. And the art, you know, again, I sound like such an idiot just saying art, team, community. But yeah, you guys, like this really, there really isn't much to even say about this one, to be honest. You can do your own research in the Discord and they're just, it's just like, it's doodles. Just like, it's like Bored Apes, even though I'm going off a tangent. See, you guys got me going. Anyway, doodles, 13 ETH. How much is that right now? 18K. That's actually not bad. I know, I apologize. If you cannot afford this kind of stuff at all, you'll get there. I started with literally like 3 ETH. Like, you're good. You will get there. How can you get there? Dream Team, that's my group. It's a plug. It's a free group, whatever. Link in the description. Follow me on Twitter as well. And the last project, before I get into it, I just want to say Bored Ape Yacht Club and CryptoPunks, obviously, those are probably the two safest, guaranteed long-term investments. But those are over 100K. I think CryptoPunks are actually under 100K right now. I can't afford either of those, so I don't even know how much they are. If you are a big baller and you're watching this video and you're getting into NFTs for the first time ever, CryptoPunks, Bored Ape Yacht Club, forget about it for 5 years. You'll be good. So the last project is a part of the Bored Ape Yacht Club, Mutant Ape Yacht Club. Enough said. This is kind of common sense, and probably 99% of you already clicked off the video as soon as I said that. On that note, you guys enjoy the video. Follow me. Links in the description. Have a good day.